Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're going to take the CRF300L, the wife and I, and going to try the 2-up ride with no extra padding on here on this Seat Concepts Comfort XL seat. See how it is with the passenger. Oh, not a big ride, but just around some roads a little bit. The wind is blowing so bad, it's crazy.
It's stupid.
Yeah, when on the way home on the highway up there, I was leaning sideways all the way down through there. The wind is so stinking bad.
Connected.
See all the junk debris blowed down the road out of the trees. Okay, my goodness, we had to turn off on the road here because the wind is so bad it's ridiculous. Can't even hardly hold the bike up and about to blow us off the road. So we're just taking a short ride anyway so she can try out this seat, see if it's any better than stock, get her opinion. And hiccup. So it's definitely wider back there than the stock seat is. It's not as wide as where my part is, but
Yeah, it definitely covers more of my rear end.
the stock seat is horrible.
So far it seems to be okay, but I don't know about long distances yet.
Right. We won't know that for a while till we get a chance to go on a long distance one, and that probably won't be till spring. Because the way it is now, like it's 73 degrees or 74 degrees today. But that's only, they do that for one day or two, and then it's back to cold again. And on the weekends, it's cold. Like this weekend, it's going to be cold and nasty, so we don't get much of the nice weather. The real warm weather, anyway. I shouldn't say that. This is December, and we've had nothing but nice weather, really.
Yeah.
Mid-December.
Looking forward to what January's going to bring.
Could be bad. Could be good.
Probably lots of snow.
It might be that too. Look at that dust up there going across.
Oh, you ought to have seen all the leaves blowing real hard across the highway and stuff when I was coming home from Monette.
Yeah, so that's what you guys need to do when you get outside now. Run out there real quick, grab your rakes, rake all your leaves out into the wind, and they'll blow over in your neighbor's yard, see? That's how you get rid of your leaves. They're here anyway.
Well, it's crazy insane. I thought it was going to push me off the road in my Jeep today.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Not just once. There's like 3 or 4 times that it felt like the wind was just going to pick my Gladiator up. That's bad when it feels like that.
I'm like a weeble wobble, but they don't fall down here. Oh, this crazy wind. Right into the sun now. So you think the seat's better?
Huh?
Think the seat is better?
It feels a little bit better, but like I said, the issue is that normally it's long distances that I have the issue with the comfort zone, so I'd have to wait a little while to see if I'm going to have to, which I'm sure I'm probably still going to have like an extra cushion on it anyway.
Oh yeah, I imagine. I wouldn't doubt it a bit.
Because the problems that I have with my lower back, so.
Maybe it'll work better with that cushion.
Yeah. Give more support to my back and everything when I'm riding.
All in that wood. That's one thing about this winter, we haven't burnt hardly any heat at all. I mean, that house is so insulated with the foam insulation, and we got the house part insulated.
Well, now I can't wait to see what the bill's going to be after we got all the insulation finished.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot better. Okay guys, we're going to get back to the house. Just a short video tonight. It's right up the road and back. We had to go to our son's house up in town and take him some medicine. So thank you guys for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Right on.